Hi dear students, our lesson today is Unit 4 Text 1, the goals of the United Nations. Let's start as usual with the new vocabulary. The first word is the word form. Repeat after me, form. Form. It's a verb, it means يشكل. The second word, United Nations. United Nations. It's a noun and it means الأمم المتحدة, and the abbreviation is UN. UN means the United Nations, الأمم المتحدة. Then we have the word peace. 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 It's a noun, it means salam. Then we have the word organization. 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 It's a noun, it means منظمة. Then we have the word goal. Goal. And goal, it's a noun, it means هدف. Then we have the word international. International, it's an adjective and it means dually. Then we have the word human rights. Human rights, it's a noun, it means حقوق الإنسان. Then we have the word force, and force means قوة. It's a noun and it means قوة, force. Then we have the word independent. Independent. Independent, it's an adjective, it means مستقل. Then we have the word leader. Leader, it's a noun, it means زعيم أو قائد. Then we have the word ruin. 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 Repeat after me, ruin. Ruin. It's a noun, it means دمار or خراب. Then we have the word world peace. World peace. World peace. It's a noun, it means السلام العالمي. Then we have the word organize. Organize, it's a verb and it means ينظم. Then we have the word purpose. Repeat after me, purpose. Purpose is a noun, it means غرض أو هدف. Then we have the word problem. 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 It's a noun, it means مشكلة. Then we have the word race. Race, it's a noun, it means جنس بشري. Then we have the word sign. Sign. Sign, it's a verb and means يوقع على. Then we have the word agreement. 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 Agreement, it's a noun, it means اتفاقية أو اتفاق. Now let's do an exercise on the new vocabulary. Fill in the spaces with words from the list. Sign, purposes, international, ruin, peace, independent, format. Number 1. The United Nations was space in 1945. Number 2. Would you space these papers, please? Would you space these papers, please? Number 3. The machine can be used for various space. Only space countries can join the UN. One goal of the United Nations is to solve space problems. Number 6. Wars cause much. Now let's check the answers. Number 1. The United Nations was formed in 1945. Number 2. Would you sign these papers, please? Would you sign these papers, please? Number 3. This machine can be used for various purposes. Number 4. Only independent countries can join the UN. Only independent countries can join the UN. Number 5. One goal of the United Nations is to solve international problems. Number 6. Wars cause much ruin. Now let's move to the set book questions. Question number 1. Mention 2 of the main goals of the United Nations. Mention 2 of the main goals of the United Nations. Or, why was the United Nations formed? Or, what do the members promise to do? What do the members of the United Nations or the members of the UN promise to do? A. To spread peace. To spread peace. B. To solve international problems. To solve international problems. Question number 2. What Arab countries were at the first meeting of the UN, of the United Nations? What Arab countries were at the first meeting of the UN? There were Egypt, Iraq, Saudi Arabia, Yemen, Jordan, Syria, and Lebanon. Question number 3. When did Kuwait join the United Nations? When did Kuwait join the United Nations? Kuwait joined the United Nations in 1963. In 1963. Now we come to the end of our lesson. Thanks for listening. Until we meet again, I wish you the best of luck. Goodbye.